Executive Committee member for Health, commonly known as CEC, Mr. Ronald Nyakweba this morning said that among the striking workers were that statement is completely false. As the dean have been in contact with all the medical students over the weekend. I told the students that they are not unionized and they are not covered by union, and they are medical students directly brought to us by their parents, and I knew that they are not going on strike. And I confirmed today that the students were not on strike. They were in class. Right now, for me, for example, I've just come from class, and this morning I confirmed that all students were in class. So no Kisii University student was in the streets today. The students are basically here to learn. If there is no learning going on to the wards, they were not in the wards, and they don't go to the streets. So that statement by the local minister was not true.
Street yari bari bantu ba Kisii abandi n'abana university abandi bari kurogera mata abanyagitari wetu bonzi pi no baregas goire register sibago sign bonzi no baregas egas negenda tebia na murigedi mo ina abanyagitari abarone no bari bagenda gudumiwa as a keyword amana bari bagocha ari outpatient digo ko basabanga kerengendo mbyakere sarakari yero bya egas negenda rete ngosa ko no gwoba nande michanda yose abanyagitari babere ko race nko bakikishiranga sarakari ya policy mbara ne tayari.
From morning we have attended sheets and our students have attended every lesson. They are very peaceful and learning is taking place, and the other students are at our laboratories and are taking practicals as we speak now. So our students are disciplined enough. They cannot afford to go to the streets. They are well guided and we are teaching them well. They cannot be in the streets at this particular moment when they have a lot to do in terms of the pursuit of academic excellence. So we want to assure the public that our students they do not participate in any form of strike. So on behalf of all our students whom we teach, and on behalf of Kisii University management, like the dean has spoken, they've calmed our students, and you can visit the classes and see, because they are still there as we're speaking with you, and they are really working hard in their endeavor.
Stephen Uchim, and I'm doing medicine and surgery in Kisii University, a third-year medical student. I'm also the president of the Medical Students Association of Kisii University, and I'm speaking on behalf of the School of Health Sciences. And I'd like to say we've known about the strike for quite a while, and there were discussions about joining it, but we decided not to join it after the guidance of our esteemed dean. He was concerned about our safety and advised us that since we are not protected by the union, it would not be wise to attend the strike, and therefore we've had our classes as usual. Personally, I've had my class from 10 to 12:30, and I know my colleagues have also been in class. We share the same buildings, and I've seen them around. So we were not